Here we are at example 10 from our 8.5 set of notes. We're asked to simplify the following rational expression. What we're going to go ahead and do first is factor this. So when we do that, we end up with 2 divided by x plus 1 times x minus 1 plus 1 divided by x plus 1 minus 3 divided by that x plus 5 times x minus 1. And again, the reason why we want to do that is just to see what is our LCD, or least common denominator. Looking at things, we could say that our least common denominator looks like this guy has an x plus 1, so he's on our list. He also has that x plus 1, so we're good there. This guy on the bottom left also has an x minus 1, so he's on the list. You can kind of do your cancellation stuff if you would like. But we already had that x plus 1 taken care of from the previous one. We've also already added that LCD, that x minus 1 over here, so he's good there. And then finally we need x plus 5. So now everything is canceled / off the list. So our least common denominator is that x plus 1 times x minus 1 times x plus 5. Now, going ahead and pretty much just seeing what do we have to multiply to get that bottom. This one already has x plus 1 times x minus 1, and he just needs an x plus 5 divided by x plus 5. The one in the middle has already an x plus 1, but it does need an x minus 1 times an x plus 5. And again, we're applying that to the entire top and the entire bottom. So really this is one big foo move. Fancy form of saying one. On the bottom right, it already has an x plus 5, it already has an x minus 5, so the only thing it needs left over is an x plus 1. So we're going to multiply the top by x plus 1 and the bottom by x plus 1. Next, what we want to do is go ahead and distribute the tops. So pretty much just like normal, we end up then with 2x plus 10 divided by our x plus 5 times x plus 1 times x minus 1. In the middle, if we go ahead and distribute these items, we end up with x squared plus 5x minus 1x minus 5 divided by our x plus 5 times x plus 1 times x minus 1. And we are subtracting 3 times that x plus 1. So it looks like minus 3x plus 3. And then again, we have our x plus 5 times x plus 1 times x minus 1. Now that they all have the same exact bottoms, we are in the position where we can go ahead and combine the tops. So looks like nothing can be combined with this x squared, so we have x squared. We have 2x. We'll go ahead and cancel them off too as we go along. We have 2x plus 5x, that's 7x. Minus 1x is 6x minus 3x. So that looks like it comes out to be plus 3x. And we've used up all of our x's at that point. Next, we're going to go ahead and take our numbers. So we have 10 plus negative 5. That comes out to be 5 minus 3. Again, applying that negative to the 3. So 10 plus negative 5 is 5 minus 3 more. Looks like it comes out to be plus 2. On the bottom, we still have our x plus 5 times x plus 1 times x minus 1. The next part, we're going to go ahead and factor out the top. It looks like we can factor him out. Comes out to be x plus 2 times x plus 1 divided by x plus 5 times x plus 1 times x minus 1. And lo and behold, it looks like there is an x plus 1 on the top as well as the bottom, so we can go ahead and get rid of those and cancel them out. So our final simplified version comes out to be x plus 2 divided by x plus 5 times x minus 1. Again, though, that is example 10 from our 8.5 set of notes.